Good morning, student. Today we will discuss about the syllabus of Information Technology 402 for class 9, session 2020 and 21. In this syllabus, already we have discussed in the previous videos of syllabus of IT for 2019 and 20. Today we are again discussing the new syllabus which is provided by the CBSE. So this is the syllabus of 2020 and 21. First, the units is divided into two sections, part A and part B. In part A, we have to study about the employability skills, unit 1. We have to study communication skills, how to communicate. Unit 2, self-management skills. Unit 3, ICT skills, and Unit 4, entrepreneurial skills, and Unit 5, green skills. So this is the part A, and again part B. In Unit 1, we have to study about the introduction to IT and IT's industries. In Unit 2, we have to study about the data entry and keyboard skills. Unit 3, we have to study about the digital documentations. Unit 4, electronic spreadsheet. Unit 5, digital presentations. So already we know that the total marks of examination is 100 marks, which is comprises of 50 marks of theory and 50 marks is practical. If we are comparing the syllabus from 2019 and 20, then we find out that there is no changes in the syllabus. Here is the same: communication skills, self-management skills, information and communication skills, entrepreneur skills, green skills. Again in part B, introduction to IT's data entries, digital documentation, electronic spreadsheets and digital presentation. So we find out the same syllabus is given in 2020 and 21. So there is no changes in the syllabus. If we are discussing again in the details of the syllabus, then what we have to study in introduction to IT and IT industries, we have to study about the introduction to IT's BPO services, BPM industry in India, structure of the IT BPM industry, application of IT in home, computing, everyday life, library, workplace, education, entertainment, communications, business, science and engineering, banking, insurance, marketing, healthcare, IT in the government and public services. Again, if we are discussing about the data entry and keyboard skills, then in this topic we have to study about the keyboard skills, type of keyboard, keys in keyboard, numeric keypad, home keys, guide keys, typing and deleting text, how we can type and delete the text, typing ergonomics, positions of the fingers of the keyboard, allocation of the key to finger on 4 different rows, pointing device, mouse operations, using typing software. Whatever the typing software we use Rapid Typing Tutor. So first we have to study about the introduction to Rapid Typing Tutor, touch typing technique, user interface of typing tutor, typing text and interpret results, working with lesson editor, calculation speed, typing rhythm. In digital documentations, we have to study about the introduction to word processing. Already we have discussed word processing applications, introductions to word processing tool, creating a document part of a word processor, Windows cursor and mouse pointer, applying editing features, text editing, undo and redo command, moving and copying text, copy and paste, selecting text, selection criteria, selecting non-consecutive text item, selecting a vertical block of text, find and replace option, jumping to the page number, non-printing characters, checking spelling and grammar using synonyms and thesaurus, applying formatting features, page style dialog, formatting text, removing manual formatting, common text formatting, changing text case, superscript and subscript, formatting paragraph, indenting paragraph, aligning paragraph, font color, highlight and background color, using bullet and numbering, assigning color, border, background to the paragraph, page formatting, setting up basic page layout using style, insert page break, creating header, footer and page number, defining borders and backgrounds, inserting images, shapes, special characters in a document, dividing page into column, formatting the shapes and or images. Create and work with table, creating table in word processor, inserting rows and column in a table, deleting rows and column, splitting and merging table, deleting table, copying table, moving table. Use print options, printing options in word processor, print preview, controlling printing, printing all pages, single and multiple pages. Understand and apply mail merge, concept of mail merge in word processing, creating a main document, creating the data source, entering data in the field, merging the data source with the main document, editing the individual document, printing and merge later, saving the merge later. Now unit 4 electronic spreadsheet. Create a spreadsheet, introduction to spreadsheet, application, starting a spreadsheet, parts of a spreadsheet, worksheets, rows and column, cell and cell address, range of cells, column range, row and column range, applying formula and function in spreadsheet, different types of data, entering data, level values formula how to enter formula, mathematical operations used in formulae, simple calculation using values and operations, formula with cell address and operations, commonly used basic functions in a spreadsheet, sum, average, maximum, minimum and count. How we have to find the sum, average, maximum, minimum and count. Use of function to do calculations. Format data in spreadsheet. Formatting tool. Use of dialog box to format values. Formatting a range of cells. Formatting a range of cells to be seen as labels. Formatting of a cell range or scientific. Formatting a range of cell to display times. Formatting alignment of a cell range. Speeding up data entry using the file handles, use of file handle to copy formulae. Next is understand and apply referencing, concept of referencing, relative referencing, mixed referencing, absolute referencing. Create and insert different types of charts in a spreadsheet. Important of chart in a spreadsheet, type of chart, example of charts. Now last unit, digital presentations. Understand features of an effective presentation, concept of presentations, element of presentation, characteristics of effective presentation. Create a presentations, introduction to presentation software, starting a presentation tool, parts of presentation tool window, closing the presentation tool, creating a presentation using templates, selecting slide layout, saving presentation, running slideshow, save presentation in PDF, closing a presentation using help. Work with slide, how we can work with slide, inserting a duplicate slide, inserting new slides, slide layout, copying and moving slides, deleting and renaming slides in a presentation, copying, moving and deleting content of a slide, view a presentation, controlling the size of the view, workspace view, normal, outline, notes, slide sorter view. Format and apply animations, formatting toolbar, various formatting features, text alignment, bullet and numbering, custom animations, create and use table, inserting table in presentations, entering and editing data in a table, selecting a cell row, column table, adjusting column width and row height, table borders and backgrounds, inserting and format images in presentation, inserting an image, from a file, inserting an image from the gallery, formatting images, moving images, resizing images, rotating images, formatting using the images toolbar, drawing graphics objects, line shapes, grouping and ungrouping objects. Work with slide master, creating the slide master, applying the slide master to the all slide and adding transitions. So this is the detailed syllabus of the information technology, what we have to study in the whole year of 2020 and 21. So this is the detailed syllabus of the information technology for code 402. Thanks for watching.